Hi everyone, welcome to this section. In this section, I'm going to cover what is advanced Excel. So I have already covered the basic Excel introduction. Now I'm going to let you know what is advanced Excel, what advanced Excel contains. So if you are very well in advanced features of the Excel, you are very well in a lot of advanced functionalities of the Excel like pivot table, conditional formatting, data validation. You are ready to design the reports using advanced functions and formulas, and you are able to design the uh, power pivot table. You are ready to highlight the data on the basis of multiple conditions, on the basis of raw data sets. You are able to clean the data, you can analyze the data, you can create data model through the different data sets, you can make reports on the basis of certain raw data sets. You can apply filters, advanced filters, lot of advanced functionality. You can clean your data through the formula. So these are things of advanced Excel. So here, let's see one example of advanced Excel. So here, I'm just discussing about the very good functions. The function is it VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, most of the persons thinks VLOOKUP is very advanced function, but I cannot say VLOOKUP is advanced function. So if you are utilizing a VLOOKUP function with different data sets to extract the data, suppose here I'm just extracting the data on the basis of name. I want to extract department and ID. So here I'm applying the VLOOKUP function. So here I'm taking lookup value. My first parameter of VLOOKUP is lookup value. Lookup value means on the basis of which data you want to extract the data department. So here on the basis of name, I want to extract the department. So here I have taken the lookup value as a name. So next part is how we can freeze here. So freezing part is very important part of the Excel. So here I'm pressing function F4 three times to freeze our column, comma, then table array. Table array means in which data set you want to pick the department on the basis of name. So here I want to pick department on the basis of name. So you have to select name and complete data set. Why I'm selecting here? I have pressed F4 to freeze entire data range, comma, then you have to take column index number. So what is the column number of department from your lookup value name? So my department is second column from lookup value name. So here I will put second, then comma, and then range lookup. Last parameter is range lookup. In range lookup, you have two things. Your first option is true. True means approximate match. Approximate means nearest match. Exact match, if I'm putting here 0 or false, it will match lookup value 100% lookup match. It means if your lookup value is 100% match into B column of the data sets, then you will get data. Otherwise, if anything is not matching, then you will not get correct data. Bracket closed, and here I will enter. So here I have applied the basic VLOOKUP function. This is not part of advanced Excel, because here just I have extracted one column data. That's why we can say this is a very basic part of the VLOOKUP. Now I'll let you know, in VLOOKUP we cannot extract data from left side of the lookup value. Here my lookup value is name. I want to extract data from left side, like name. This is right side and this is the left side of the name. So what is in left side of the name? ID is a left side of the name. So I want to pick the ID on the basis of name lookup value. So how we can do it? So this is a little bit advanced part of the VLOOKUP or advanced Excel. So you will have to take here function equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this one. You have to freeze here F4 3 times, or on the basis of different system you can press function F4 3 times. Then your column will be freezed, comma. Second parameter is table array. Table array I will create through the choose functions. So through the choose function, I will swap our column left to right, right to left. So here I want to swap our column. ID should be in right side and name should be in left side. Then we can pick the ID. So let's see. Here I will apply choose function. In choose function, you have first parameter is index. So here I'm taking curly braces. Then here I'm going to take two references. My first reference will be name. Second reference will be ID, which I need to extract. So here I'm taking two index number, 1, comma 2 curly braces. Then you have to take first reference. Your first reference always will be your lookup value. So you have to go there and take complete range of B column, freeze it, comma, then second reference, what you want to extract. I want to extract here department, so I will take here department as a second reference. This first reference is referring B column. This second reference is referring A column. As of now, your data is swapped. Means B column data is first column and A column data is second column. Then bracket close for choose function, then comma, column index number. In these two columns, which column data I want to pick? I want to pick second column data. Second column data is A column. So here I will put 2, then comma, then here you can pass false or 0. So here I can pass the 0, bracket close. False and 0 means we are taking exact match data. Then enter. So see here, I'm getting ID on the basis of name. So this is the advanced function. Okay. So that's all about the advanced Excel introduction. Thank you so much.